Welcome, in this video you will see cracking Windows users account password. Passwords are stored and transmitted in an encrypted form called hash. When a user logs on to a system and enters a password, a hash is generated and compared to stored hash. If the entered and stored hashes match, the user is authenticated. This we saw in last video in Windows security in depth. Now let us see it can be cracked or not. If yes means how. Passwords may be cracked manually or with automated tools such as brute force method or the rainbow table attack. Now let us see what we can do. We cannot recover the password from encrypted hash from a same file. So what options do we have? Can we just remove the hash from a same file, which will remove the password from user account? Next time we will try to log in, Windows will not ask for password. Or can we replace the hash in the same file with a new hash, which will replace the password for that user account, so that next time we will try to log in, we can give the newly replaced password. Or use the command in the command prompt, type new password to reset the hash, leave blank and hit enter to remove the password. If I open where that SM file is, that is inside local C disk Windows System32 config file and the SAM file, the hashes are stored in this SAM file, as you can see here. Now we need to attack this file. For this we need to open this file, but it is not possible as it is in process by the computer from its startup. And we suppose that the file opens, then also we cannot see the password stored in it, because they are encrypted in the form of hashes. I'm not saying it cannot be decrypted, it can be done, but it's very hard. Okay, so can we hack the password of Windows account? The answer is yes. Now let's see how it can be done. As you can see, my Windows is locked and I don't know the password. Now I will show you how to crack into it. It's pretty simple. First restart computer. When computer restart and you see starting Windows, abruptly shut down the computer and then start it again. You will see this: launch startup repair or start Windows normally. Select launch startup repair and press enter. Windows loading files will show up. Startup repair will launch. This take 10 to 15 minutes. Just don't do anything and stay quiet. New window will pop up. Click on drop down of view problem details. Now scroll all the way down to last link. Finally, this pop-up box will show up. Here it is. This will open a text file. Here click on file, open, click on computer. Now make sure you select local disk where all your Windows system files are stored. All the drive letters are a bit different here than usual. Open local disk. Now open Windows. Now select all files in files of type. Now find System32 and open it up. Now look for SETHC, that is SETHC. Here it is. Just rename it as SETHC0. Click away to save it. Now look for CMD. Here it is. Now copy CMD. Scroll down to bottom and paste it. Rename this CMD copy as SETHC. Click away to save. Now close. Close this too. Click on don't send. Click on finish. System will turn off. Start the computer. We still can't log in, but we did some modification that we can open command prompt from here. That is, we change the sticky keys to command prompt. Now if I press 5 times shift key, command prompt will appear. In command prompt, type netuser and hit enter to see all users. I have only one, that is Amit, that is my name. Now I will type netuser Amit space star and hit enter. Now here you can change the password or leave it blank. I have set single word as password and hit enter. Confirm password. I will again type my single word password and hit enter. So now I have set a password. I will type that password here and log in. Welcome shows up. Now I have successfully logged into my Windows 7. That's it in hacking into password protected Windows system. Thank you for watching this video.